superstars. 8:45 remaining, third quarter. Alforquez inside. Huli! Sapal na sapal ni Benji Paras. Nagagawa niya magkakampi at tuloy napunta kay Rubin. Pulls up, gives it to Alvarado. Then to make it another stop.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Yung depensa ng formula shift. 3 against 1. Chris Jackson getting the block from Eric Meng.
That is unbelievable.
Pambihira yun, partner. 3-on-1 situation ng Tanduay at hindi pa sila naka-score.
This is unbelievable. Watch this play. Libre-libre na. Pinasa. Akala mo lusot na. Hindi pwede. Kay Chris Jackson. Unbelievable
At
stop there.
Yung ginawa ni Chris Jackson, if you notice, yung kanyang block as eto, here's another block. This time by Benji Paras. Oy, hindi pumasok yung free throw ni Noy Castillo. Pero partner, babanggitin ko sana, yung block ni Chris Jackson, ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya because his body slid away from the body of the offensive player para walang maging body contact. And that's something that I think all basketball students should keep in mind. If you're going for the block, make sure that your body does not come in contact. Okay lang siguro kung makakuha kayo ng block upstairs, but you have to avoid that body contact.
What's amazing with Chris Jackson, hindi mataas lumundag ito. He's not very tall, and yet he can match up even with a 6'7" like Eric Meng. Tinatimingan lamang niya from behind. Another turnover laban sa Formula Shell. And that